Tap or click, what's your style? If you like to get things clicking, let's unbox the Medit i900 Classic together. The new i900 Classic and its accessories are packed in a single package. Shall we open the box? The first thing you'll see is the quick guide. Then there's a user guide. And below you'll find the scanner and its accessories. Let's take a look at the scanner you've been most curious about. Its compact and lightweight body offers a stable grip. The i900 Classic features a familiar button-style scan button, making it even easier and effortless to acquire scan data. With a single button, you can start and stop scanning while accessing various customizable menu options. Next, we have the power delivery cables, then the scanner tips. There are 4 scanner tips of different sizes. The large tip acquires more data in a single swipe with this wide scan area. You'll also find the cradle, wall mount holder, calibration tool, USB flash drive, and practice model. Ready for a classic scan? That wraps up the unboxing of the new i900 Classic.